Hi everyone, this is your video overview of this week's Week at a Glance email sent out every Monday from HCC to your HCC inbox. This week, as always, we have quick links at the top and then a series of announcements. We begin with a school supplies drive. If you want to help the college purchase school supplies for HCC students, click here and participate that way. You have a standing invitation to refresh your technology skills. You click on the link for an appointment. Again, Near Peer app is still waiting for you to join. Click there for video introduction or more descriptive information. It's an app to help students find each other based on things they have in common. HCC mobile app is still here waiting to be downloaded. You can click on the link for information there. Check it out. Let us know how it's working for you, if it's helpful or not. Under student engagement, we have assistive technology training. Still, Mondays and Fridays, 10 to 11:30. You click here to schedule an appointment. They're hosting an IT daily drop-in this week, Monday through Friday, 11 to 12 p.m. You can speak with directly the HCC Help Desk staff. So if you have something like you're locked out of online services, you don't know how to reset your password, or you need help with maybe downloading Zoom onto your Chromebook, etc., you can click here to join this drop-in hours. It does say that you'll have to wait in the waiting room because they'll only take one student at a time on the Zoom. Color and Chat is on Tuesday at 12 noon. That is, students and staff are welcome to color, use the adult coloring books, do your own sketching, whatever you have at home that you enjoy doing, and just talking and hanging out virtually. Movie night is Wednesday at 7. The movie is still to be announced. A virtual tour of the planetarium on Thursday at 3. Pictionary is this Friday at 4. There's more information about the Connect Days again. We've went over this before. There's descriptions of the workshops, links, but I have sent out a separate email and shortened it up for you, made this a lot easier. I sent you an email with a list of days, the times, and the links. Student weekly workouts. You could do warm-up, then weight training, or rise and shine, stretch and tone. It appears that those are on-demand videos. And then you'll notice there's a whole category called Virtual Front Desk Office Hours. A lot of this you will not have to worry about as you are participating in Macy. You could certainly, if you're thinking about the future and questions for planning for the spring or next year, at some point you might have questions for the advising center. You do not need it right now. The campus store, you don't really need to access that right now because we're going to be ordering your supplies for you with the store. More on that when you meet with me for your team orientation meeting. CAPS Tutoring Center, that is a resource that you might want to check out. Ask them questions, ask them how you can set up an appointment. You can do that early on. You could do that this week or next week. Financial aid, you don't need to worry about right now. The IT help desk, that's something that we all need to use every once in a while. The OSD office, you might find a reason to contact them this week, for example, if you're scheduling a test, but most of you do not need to contact them right now. Strive, student accounts, and student records. Again, I don't think any of you will need to deal with that in the coming weeks. And then there's a heading called Career, and they're offering to help students with their resume skills. And that's it for the week.